I've been thinking about what's the right way to make money with this new technology. And I think there is a huge opportunity here for companies to build something like a plug-and-play AI workflow, or what I like to call a low-code platform for small and medium businesses. The problem is, these are very expensive systems to build and they require a lot of expertise. Let me explain. And what I mean by that is they take in some sort of input, process it, and then output a result. But I think there is a huge opportunity here for companies to build something like a Shopify for AI agents, where you could simply drag and drop different agents into a workflow and connect them together without having to code anything. I've been thinking about this idea of a no-code AI builder for a while now, where you could simply drag, because right now the barrier to entry is really high. You need a team of engineers and data scientists to build these systems, and it takes a lot of time and money. But if we could lower this barrier, I think we would see a lot more innovation and a lot more small businesses adopting this technology, and drop different AI models into a workflow and connect them together without having to code anything. And then you could train this AI on your data, and it would automatically learn how to perform whatever task you've set it to do. And then you could sell this as a service to small and medium businesses who don't have the expertise or the budget to build these systems in-house. So for example, let us say you wanted to build a system that takes in a customer support ticket and then routes it to the right agent based on the skills of the person. You could use something like an if this, then that type of system. If the ticket is about a product, then route it to the product expert. If it is about shipping, then route it to the shipping experts, and so on. But instead of building this workflow from scratch, you could simply use an AI to do it. You could have an AI agent that learns from all of your historical data, understands the context of the conversation, and then routes it to the right agent automatically. For example, you give an input to ChatGPT and then it outputs a response. So we're seeing more and more AI systems that can autonomously do really complex things like edit a video or answer customer questions via chat, even code software from scratch based on your requirements. But if we step back and look at the bigger picture, what we really have is a bunch of individual agents that can perform a task autonomously. Now imagine if we had a system where we could connect a bunch of these agents together to form a workflow. This is just one example. The other thing I am really excited about is the opportunity to build AI-powered tools that help people build AI. I think there's a huge opportunity here for companies to build platforms that make it easier for people to build AIs, especially for small and medium businesses. Like the content, please subscribe to the channel. It is free and will really help my channel grow.